Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Remitly to US Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw money with Remitly to a US bank, begin by logging into your Remitly account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Send Money section. Select the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose the bank deposit option as your delivery method. Enter the recipient's bank account details, including the account number and routing number. If you're sending money to yourself, ensure that you use your own bank account information. Select the type of currency for the transaction. Review the transaction details carefully to confirm accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking the Continue button. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any required verification steps. Once verified, choose your preferred payment method for funding the transfer. After selecting the payment method, confirm your transaction. You will receive a notification about the status of your transfer. Typically, transfers to US banks take 1 to 3 business days. Keep track of your transaction using the tracking number provided. You'll receive an email notification once the funds are deposited in the recipient's bank account. If you encounter any issues, use the Remitly help section for additional support. Ensure to keep your information safe and secure during the process. Now you have successfully withdrawn money with Remitly to a US bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.